is Aditya from Programmers Hub, and today we are here for learning basic fundamental of Python and the elements come in programming during coding. Okay, so first of all we start with Ipo cycle. What is an Ipo cycle? Anyone can guess? The Ipo cycle is input process output cycle which governs a program. A program basically takes input from you, process it, and gives you the output. This is an Ipo cycle. Okay, so I have a script for you for better understanding. This is what the script is. Taking input from the user in form of variable n, then z processing it by adding 4 to the integer input from the user, and then giving the output from the print function. Okay, this is simply first line is taking the input, second line is processing it, and third is giving the output. This is what a Ipo cycle is. Now let's run the code and see what a program is doing. Okay, so here we can input a number 5, we will get 9. So what the program has done, the program has taken input from the user 5, processed it by adding 4 to it, and giving an output in form of 9, an integer 9. So this is the basic Ipo done by the program. Okay, this is what a Ipo cycle is. The second term we come across is the token. What are tokens? Anyone can guess? So let me tell you that tokens are the basic building parts of a program. You can see a script in front of your screen. Here n, int or input, each and every function, identifier, variable name, or any data type is a token. Each and every word of the passage of a script is a token. Okay, this is only what a token is, the basic building part of a program. Okay, the third term we come across is the keyword. The keyword, what are keywords? Anyone guess? The keywords are the words which are reserved and have a special meaning for a programming language. For example, in Python, for is a reserved word which has a meaning for loop. While is a reserved word which is used in while loop, but Aditya is not a reserved word. It doesn't have any meaning for the programming language. So this is not a keyword. Here Aditya is not a keyword, but for, while, or not, print, each and every word has a special meaning for the programming language. For this is what a keyword is. Okay, the third term we come across is what are identifiers. Identifiers are the basic building blocks of a program. The tokens are the basic building units. Unit means one part. For example, int and n, each and every are token. But what are the identifiers? Identifier blocks are the blocks. The blocks are z is equal to n plus 4. This whole is a block. N, int, input, enter. This is also a block. Okay, the identifier are basic building blocks of a program. So identifier are name given to variable, class, objects. Class object we will talk on later when we will start oops, but till yet you can understand that a name given to any data type or variable, it's known as identifier. Okay, identifier name can be from A to Z. It can be smaller case or in lower case from digit 0 to 9, or it should not be a keyword. Okay, you should understand that it should not be a keyword. Any name of a variable cannot be a keyword. It will throws an exception when we will do the advanced programming. Okay, here we can see that the keywords can be start with any letter but cannot start with a number. Number can be included but after a character. Okay, only one symbol can be used in the inputting the identifier name. It should be underscore. Okay, so this is the basic of tokens, identifiers, and the keywords. Okay, these three terms we have understand in this tutorial. The further we will learn in our next tutorial. For that, buy and subscribe, like my channel.